Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Play console and payments profile are ready. This saves friction later. Open your app entry, upload an APK or AAB, and confirm the package name matches your project. Then enable the Play billing library support in console and copy the license key into your backend or app config. Once done, create at least one in-app product or subscription draft so the console recognizes billing. Make sure your account has proper permissions before moving forward. Now implement the billing flow inside your app. Add the Google Play billing library dependency and initialize a billing client tied to Lifecycle. Query SKU details for the products you created, then present them in your UI. Initiate purchases with billing flow params and handle purchase updated listener callbacks for success, pending, or failure states. Once purchases arrive, acknowledge or consume them promptly. You should also verify receipts on your server using the Play Developer API. Finally, test thoroughly using internal or closed testing tracks and add tester emails in the Play console. This simulates real purchases without charges. Upload the signed app to the test track, perform purchases, and confirm your app acknowledges and your backend validates receipts. Once tests pass, promote the build to production. If something fails, make sure the package name, signing certificate, license key, and tester account match exactly. Mismatches are the most frequent cause of billing errors and declined purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.